Welcome to Jivrus Looker Studio Connector. We're excited to introduce our Odoo Accounting AppiWorks Connector. The AppiWorks Looker Studio Connector helps you connect Looker Studio with the Odoo Accounting application and use it as a data source in Looker Studio. In this video, we will see how the Odoo Accounting AppiWorks Connector can help you retrieve data from Odoo Accounting to Looker Studio and create a report with it. You can navigate to the connector either by using the Use Now button shown on our Odoo Accounting AppiWorks Connector website or from the Looker Studio gallery. Let's go to the Looker Studio gallery and search for Odoo Accounting AppiWorks. Select it. It will navigate to the connector's configuration page. First, it will ask you to authorize Looker Studio. Click on the Authorize button. Then it will ask for a Google account, select it, and proceed. In the next step, we need to authorize the Odoo Accounting AppiWorks Connector. Click on the Authorize button. Here you need to sign in. You can sign in with your Google account, or use your email and password to proceed. For now, I will sign in with my Google account. After authentication is completed, you will be asked to choose a connection from the drop-down menu. Since we don't have any connections, we can create a new one by clicking on the Create New Connection button. While creating a new connection, a pop-up will appear, and it will show you the default connection name. If you want to change it, you can edit it. For now, I will keep the same name. Now you need to provide the credentials of the Odoo Accounting account to which you want to create a connection. The details regarding how to get these credentials are mentioned on our website. For now, I will quickly enter the credentials. And then click on the Save Connection button. Once the connection is created successfully, it will be auto-selected in the chosen connection place. Similarly, you can create connections to your different Odoo Accounting accounts. Then click on Confirm Selection. Now that you've successfully connected with Odoo Accounting AppiWorks, you can close the pop-up. To manage your connections, click on the Manage Connections URL. Here you need to sign in again. After signing in, you can create, edit, or delete your connections. Now choose a connection from the drop-down and click on the Next button. Now it will ask you to choose the object from which you want to fetch data. Choose the object and click on the Next button. Then click on the Connect button. Now, it will navigate to the Schema page. Here, it will show you all the data fields supported and their data type. Now, click on the Create Report button. It will navigate to the report page, where you can add the required fields and create your dashboard. With the Odoo Accounting AppiWorks Connector, you can connect to multiple accounts of Odoo Accounting and gather all data in one place. Thanks for watching the video.